Welcome to qnawire.
To construct a two-sided confidence interval estimate of the difference of two population proportions, we use the formula. The confidence interval is the difference between the two sample proportions, plus or minus the critical z times the square root of the first sample proportion times 1 minus the first sample proportion over its sample size, plus the second sample proportion times 1 minus the second sample proportion over its sample size. But since we're asked for just the upper bound, we don't have to add and subtract, we will just add. Alright, so the first sample proportion would be 90 out of 120. And 90 out of 120, we can just say that's 0.75. And the second proportion is 100 out of 150. And we can say that that's 0.6667. What are we rounding these to 2? Yeah, that would be all right. Final answers to two places. The critical z for 90% is going to be 1.645. Because it does say the 90% two-sided. So we use, that comes from the standard normal table. And then we've got 0.75 times 1 minus 0.75, and that was out of 120. And then 0.667 times 1 minus 0.6667 over, that was out of 150. All right, there's our calculation. We're going to take this to 2 decimal places for the upper bound. That comes out to 0.17 to 2 places.